tutorial on how to create a second channel on YouTube. So we click in the search bar and we'll type YouTube. Once we've searched that, we'll click on YouTube to redirect us to the YouTube site. Once that loads, we'll move to the icon at the top right hand side of our screen here. So we click on it and it brings out all this. We'll go over to switch account. Once you click on it, you will see view all channel. So you click on the view all channel, which will bring out a list of all the channels you have on the account. So you go to create a channel. So once you click on create a channel, it's not supposed to take that long. It's not supposed to take that long. Once you click on create a channel, this is what it will look like. So you add the channel name you want to create here. Once you add the name you want to name your channel here, you check the box and that you're creating a new Google account with its own setting, including YouTube search and watch history. Then you click on create. Once you've done that, it's going to open an interface for you to see the account you've created. Then you could move over to YouTube Studio, still going back to this icon right here. Go back here. Once you've created the account, you click on the icon once again and it brings out all the list of accounts you have. Then you can switch to go to YouTube Studio and set up your accounts the way you would want it to be. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you got value from it, leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.